Good morning, students of class 4. Today I am going to discuss the inside questions of first lesson. That is, Pippi goes to the circus. In the last three videos, I have completed the explanation of the lesson. I hope you all have understood. Now, children, let us explain the questions which are given inside the book. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside questions are there. So let us explain the questions today. So what Pippi went to the circus, what she did, and finally what happened, everything we know. So, these questions let us explain first. Now, what is the first question? First question is, what tell us that Tommy and Annika were excited about going to the circus? What made them excited? The act of giving money. When they asked for money, their father gave them money. So without money, they cannot get there. They cannot go there, isn't it? So when their father gave money to the children, they were excited to go to the circus. Now, question number 2. You can see, why did Pippi shut her eyes? Why did Pippi? Because Pippi shut her eyes in surprise. When they said that you don't need to buy a circus or you are not going to, it is not going to hurt you. They said we need money only to watch the circus. For her everything was surprise. So she shut her eyes in surprise. Number 3, what do you think Tommy and Annika told Pippi to make her understand what a circus was? She asked many questions about the circus, isn't it? If you go through the passage once again, we can see what all the things she asked about circus. First she said, I don't know whether I can go to the circus. Or then she asked whether it will hurt her. Then she asked whether she can buy it or not. So, how they managed to make her understand? They said, what questions you were asked? Circus is not that. Circus is the place where we can have fun. What is the answer? Annika and Tommy told Pippi that circus is a place of fun, or circus is the place to have fun. Number 4. What did the circus band play? Who was in the ring with Miss Carmen Sitter? What what was what did the circus band play? I told you, as the curtain raised, who came? The band. A group of musicians band. They came. So what did the circus band? The circus band was playing Thundering March. What? Here also it is given. Suddenly, the circus band suddenly began to play Thundering March. What is the answer? What did the circus band play? Here we will get. The circus band suddenly began to play a Thundering March. What is the answer of this fourth question? What did the circus band play? The circus band played a thundering march. Okay, what is the answer? The circus band played a thundering march. Now, the same question we have one more. Who was in the ring with Miss Carmencita? Who was? First who came after the march? The ringmaster. So, who was in the ring with Miss Carmencita? The ringmaster was in the ring with Miss Carmencita. Who was with Miss Carmencita in the ring? The ringmaster was in the ring with Miss Carmencita. Now what is the next question? Why did Pippi jump onto the horse? Why did? Because she thought now Carmencita is performing there. She thought she can also have fun there. Thinking that it is a fun for all to have. As yesterday in the third part, I told that she thought those who come there, they all can have fun in a circus. That's why when the horse came near to her seat, she also jumped onto the horse. Why did Pippi jump onto the horse? Pippi jumped onto the horse thinking that she can also have fun. Pippi jumped to the horse to have fun. Now the last question. Which word tells us how Pippi felt when the horse was stopped? Here we can see. If we see. Is this act already over? Asked Pippi in a disappointed tone. So which word tell us how Pippi felt when the horse was stopped? The word disappointed tells us how Pippi felt when the horse was stopped. Which word? Because disappointed. That means when the ringmaster came and told her what? Get off the horse. When the ringmaster came and told Pippi, get off the horse means come down from the horse. She felt very sad. She was disappointed. So, which word tells us how Pippi felt when the horse was stopped? The word disappointed tells us how Pippi felt when the horse was stopped. Now I am giving you only these inside questions explanations. In the next video, you can write the question answers which I will be uploading in the next video. Okay children, please read the book once, then go through the questions and in a sheet of paper, you write what you have understood from the lesson. Okay, then when you get the answer, please match it whether your answer and my answer is matching the question or not. So what I am going to give you, that questions please write it in a copy and keep it clean. And children, before that, take a fair copy, the first page, write the lesson number 1. On the second line, write Pippi goes to the circus. And on the third line, please write inside questions. Okay? And begin the sentence with a cap letter and end the sentence with a full stop. Okay? Keep it neat and clean. Okay? And before that, before you are writing the question answers, please go through the word meaning. That also I am going to give you from the beginning, that you can see. What is the first word? Clutching. What is the first word? First you write the word meaning, then write the inside question. For today, this is your homework. Write the word meaning. Clutching. Clutching means what? Holding. Please underline the word holding. Clutching means what? Holding. Clutching means what? Holding. Number 2, what is that? Troll. Troll means you can underline the word a giant or a dwarf. Then milestone. Milestone is what? A large round stone. Milestone means what? A large round stone. Marvelous. Marvelous is what? Number 4. Extremely good. Tights. A piece of clothing. Number 6. Swishing. Swishing means a soft sound. First, in your fair copy, write as a number 1 heading, then word meaning. Clear? Lesson number 1 heading, then word meaning. Write the word meanings. Then the next page, please write the question answers. Already I have explained. You will get the fair answer in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.